Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Shelly from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So on the bottom left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for our left eye. And then moving up on a diagonal, leaving a gap in the center, we're going to move over on the right and replicate that. Now in the center of both eyes, we're going to draw in another circle in the middle. Now in the middle for the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then underneath that, we're going to connect this together by drawing in a nice big arch line from left to right, curving this around, back up on the side. And now on both sides, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. Now let's move down on the right, and for the hand, we're going to curve this line around and then in for the thumb. On the top, we're going to arch this line out and then down on a diagonal, curving that in. From the side again here, we're going to curve this line back around and in. And now let's draw in the rest of the face. So coming over on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the top. And then we're going to come down on a diagonal, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to curve this line back around and then in, coming past our mouth on the bottom. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line, bringing this all the way over and across towards our thumb. And then on the top, we're just going to connect this together with a curved line from left to right, arching this all the way around and then back down. In the center now, we're going to curve this line around, in, up, and then back in towards the top. And then coming beside this on the top, again, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then all the way in and up on the left-hand side. To the right of this now, we're going to curve this line across. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this line around and then in towards the top of our hand. On the side of this now, we're going to bring this line in and then down on a diagonal. And then from the top again, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. Now let's draw in the dress. So in the center on the left, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then to the right of that, let's replicate that again, curving this over, back out. On the bottom, we're going to connect this now with a curved line from left to right, arching that up on the side. In the middle, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. Leaving a gap, we'll move over and replicate that. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. Let's move across again and draw in another straight line that comes down on both sides. And then from that point, we're just going to bring our diagonal line back out. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line down. And then from here on the top, we're going to bring our diagonal line in for our arm. To the right of this, we're going to bring another straight line that comes down. And then again from here, we're just going to draw in another line that comes all the way in towards the dress. Let's draw in the left arm now. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Now moving across, we're going to curve this line around, back down. And then from here, we're going to arch this line up and then bring this all the way over and in towards the chin. And then now from here, we're just going to curve this line around and then in on the corner. Now for the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, stepping further in, curving this around and then in. Bending the knee up, we're going to curve this line in towards the left-hand side. And then on the top, we'll replicate that, curving that line out. From the point here now, we're going to curve this line around and then in to close off the foot. Let's move over to the right now, and we're going to curve this line around and then down. Stepping across again, let's replicate that, ending that so it's on a diagonal. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from that point on the inside, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in. And that is it. That's how you draw Shelly from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.